warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to show you all about my favorite sports star.
Okay.
His name is Lee Chong Wei. He was born in 21 October 1982.
21 or 21st?
21st October 1982.
Okay.
His place is Bagan Lanang, Selangor, Malaysia. His sports is badminton. Lee Chong Wei is number one player in Malaysia in badminton. He is the VIP in Malaysia.
In Malaysia.
In Malaysia, and he is the best
Boleh dengar
badminton.
suara
Yes,
Tengok dah sana.
He is the best badminton player in Malaysia. Lee Chong Wei is not playing badminton in 2019 because he is not happy. Instead, I will be like him. That's all.
Okay. Okay, terangkan siapa lagi tak? Siapa lagi yang belum? Okay, tak apa, tak sempat. Tak apalah. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you, Yusof. Okay, give a big clap, Yusof.